Yeah.
Excellent, right?
Yeah. Here we go.
Cool.
Yeah.
All that.
Go.
There you go.
This is our no lights
For Halloween
for
party.
Halloween party.
Can you get it?
Yeah, you're getting it. I mean, it's a little bit holiday. Okay.
You got me?
Yeah, I got
Hi
it.
everyone, this is our new Halloween decorations that we put up this year, our new orange Halloween lights that we put up. We are here, we are going to have our annual Halloween party again this year. Fully vaccinated people will be over, fully vaccinated friends will be over. So we're still going to have a decent party. So let's like to say this is our new decorations and our graveyard, our little graveyard area, and graveyard area over there.
Put that on the old.
And this is our old stuff that we've had last couple of years ago. So you can see it's shining over there too.
Yes.
And then in there inside. Good job. So,
Yeah.
just wanted to say,
Go.
26 at 5 p.m. is going to be our Halloween party.
Yeah. So you can't go.
You can't come. We like to show our video to wish everybody a happy Halloween. And we'll see you. And be safe.
Okay.
And he did that.
Okay. I'm going.
Oh, geez.
Oh. Here. This is my new light.
Yep. Your new orange lights.
Don't know for this here. The got blinking. And that another no light.
New orange.
Hopefully we have our money for electric bill.
Doing it this way, yes. Just keeping these lights on.
ATS. You don't know what to know.
They gave us an expensive bill to shoot this thing down.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah.
And another light.
Oh, Marty.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
We gotta go, but we wanted to show you our Halloween decorations this year.
And I'll be back for pumpkin.
Yep. To do our pumpkin carving, which I'll be doing, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this.
Yes. Again.
So,
And we will do this one.
we're gonna do that face on the pumpkin.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for that, people, alright?
Okay. Bye.
So we'll see you all later.